Hi guys, I just wanted to share something with you really quick. This is a young man that is in my intro to programming. He went above and beyond what he was doing on this animation. So I just wanted to share with you what I'm going to run the code, but I want to share with you. This is the code that he wrote. He wrote every bit of this code. He has over 300 lines of code. Okay, so it tells a story. And I want you guys to look at it and tell me what you think about it. I love it. And I gave him bonus points for this. So it was a score out of 100, and I gave him 150. So because he went above and beyond. But watch the code. Watch what happens. This is animation, and this young man, he's going to go far, and this is his pathway. So he said this is the way he wants to go, and he's doing a wonderful job. So I just wanted to share with you guys what he did. I think it is very awesome that he did this, and he really did an excellent job with it. So I hope you enjoy. Thanks. Bye.